Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Jody Kinney. Today I'm going to do another part of my series on how chiropractic and nutrition and some natural remedies can help with digestion, as opposed to some of the medications and the drugs and the prescriptions that people take for digestion. So one of the things that I'd like to advise my patients to take is called DigestZen. So we work with a company called doTERRA. doTERRA is an essential oil company, pure, completely tested, certified, pure organic essential oils. And doTERRA makes a specific formulation called DigestZen, which helps with digestive issues. So I have had patients, now you could either take it as a topical, which is the actual oil. Some of my patients maybe rub it on their chest, or they rub it, like under their nose, or maybe diffuse it in the air, or they actually make soft gel capsules, DigestZen capsules, which you can ingest. So these specific essential oils are very good for things like nausea, bloating, reflux, indigestion, and these things that you can take that are not like Tums or Prilosec or Zantac or any, these are all natural remedies that can help with some of your digestive disturbances. So if you are struggling and you would like to do something more natural to help with your digestive issues, you should consider these products. We sell these here at both my offices, in 𝐵𝒁𝒁 Chiropractic and at Kinney Chiropractic. So come on in and you can try these out and see if that doesn't help with some of your digestive issues naturally. Okay, thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you again soon.